So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy US stocks on RBC Direct Investing. So once the app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom, press on the yellow circle with the arrow, and then press on place order. On this page right here at the top, you can go ahead and type in a US stock of your choice. So for this example, I'll just go ahead and type in Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Now, on the left-hand side, you can see which stocks are in US dollars, I guess, or Canadian by the flag. So Apple right here, we'll go ahead and select the Apple stock right here. But this, of course, can work for whatever US equity that you're looking for, but we'll use Apple as an example. Once you're on this page, go ahead and select the investment account that you want to purchase your US stock in. Once the account is selected, you can go to the action right here, press on action, go ahead and select buy. Then after that, you can go to where it says order type and do a bunch of different order types. So there's market, limit, stop limit, and stop. So you can go ahead and do that if you want. You can also type in the quantity. So if you wanted to buy, for example, 10 shares of Apple or 10 shares of whatever US stock, you go to quantity, type in 10. It'll then show you the value. Now keep in mind, if you're buying a US stock, it is going to be in US dollars. So you have to make sure that you do have US dollars in your account. But if all looks good, go to the bottom, press continue, and then proceed this way with the transaction. So that is how to buy US stocks on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.